Let's now begin with the 6th section of our video series. In the previous video, we learnt about the basic implementation of Meterpreter. In this section, we will take our discussion a step ahead and we'll try and learn some advanced implementations of Meterpreter. So, we'll be starting with passing the hash in order to bypass the Windows login screen. Passing the hash is the process of extracting the Windows logon hash bytes. The hash dump Meterpreter script extracts and dumps the password hashes from the target machine. Hashes can be used to crack the logon passwords and gain authorized entry to enter other systems on the LAN for future penetration testing. Hashes are a security mechanism that is implemented by Windows in order to store the login passwords. They're generally stored inside the System32 directory. The files are locked by default and even the administrator cannot access it through his account. So, if we are implementing pass the hash attack, we have to make sure that we are working as the NT system authority. In the previous video, we used the system command to escalate our privilege. So let's first implement the get system command. Now, if you do get UID, it will reflect that our privilege has now been escalated to the admin level. So now, for dumping the hashes of our target machine, we'll be using the hash dump command. The hash dump command has dumped the hash files for the administrator account, user account, and the guest account. Now, in order to crack these hashes, two processes are followed. One is a normal brute force attack that can be implemented by using brute force password breaking tools, such as Don the Riper. The second method can be using rainbow tables, which are also available online on some websites. Here, we'll be taking an example of a very popular MD5 cracking website. That is md5decryptor.co.uk. Here we have the option for NTML decryptor, which will decrypt our NTML hash for a readable form. Let us copy the hash value for guest user and paste it into the MD5 decryptor to see if it successfully decodes it. Here, you can see that the NTML hash file has been successfully decoded, and that the password to this corresponding hash file is 123. Let us now try the same mechanism for the administrator account. Here, you can see that the administrator account does not have any password. In fact, this NTML hash corresponds to an empty string. Here, you can see how easily we decoded the passwords from the hash dump. But, in cases where the passwords are too complicated, using normal online-based rainbow tables may not be as helpful. In such cases, we can implement software-based, brute-forcing attack methods.